What happens when Chevrolet takes an already legendary sports car and pushes it even further? The 2026 Corvette C8 is here, and it might just be the best one yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Let's get into it. Design. Starting with design, Chevrolet has refined the C8's aggressive styling beautifully. The front fascia features sharper LED headlights and redesigned air intakes that improve aerodynamics. A round back, quad exhaust tips, and updated taillights add a distinctly modern edge. The silhouette remains unmistakably Corvette, low, wide, and absolutely stunning from every angle. Performance. Now for the exciting part, performance. Under that sculpted rear glass sits a 6.2-liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. Acceleration is immediate and genuinely thrilling. 0 to 60 happens in under 3 seconds, and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts. Handling remains precise and confidence-inspiring, whether carving corners or cruising open highways. Features and technology. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit impresses with a 12-inch digital gauge cluster and updated infotainment featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. New for 2026 are enhanced driver assistance features and improved voice recognition. Premium materials throughout ensure every drive feels special. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 proves Chevrolet keeps raising the bar, delivering supercar performance at a price that undercuts European competition. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate American sports car? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content like this. Thanks for watching.